Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard3Set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up your TP-LINK Deco X50 in the app. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Deco app. There's a tutorial on our channel on how to download it. Now there's also a tutorial on our channel on how to easily log in or create an account in the app. So now let's just click let's begin. Let's grant the location permission and give the precise location. Now click on while using the app. Here click allow to find any devices and let's enable the Bluetooth. Now as you guys can see, multiple decals are found because I'm using both of them. So let's click connect and here we need to select one. So let's select this one right here. And now we were in the app. Now let's just leave it and now it's connecting. So now all we got to do is wait. As you guys can see, it found it and now it's connected to the Deco. Let's click set up the Deco and now we need to connect our Deco to the modem via an Ethernet cable. We got the Ethernet cable in our pack, so you guys can also see that what's inside the box. There's a tutorial on our channel, not the tutorial but the video. Let's click it here and now we need to restart our modem. So after that we need to click on modem restart it and now we need to select where will we place the Deco. So as you guys can see, let's click custom. Here we can give the custom name, or when it's, let's say, in an office or a kitchen, we can choose that. And now it's detecting the internet connection type. And as you guys can see, I did not connect it to the modem, but as you guys can see here, we can connect it to the internet using the internet connection type. And we can also use advanced settings right here, like IPTV and VLAN, MAC addresses, and much more. Let's click next. And here we need to create our Wi-Fi network. So let's give it a name like that. Now the password doesn't matter what you enter. I mean, it does matter, but not for me. As you guys can see, now it's creating our Wi-Fi network. But remember, I am not connected, so I won't have Wi-Fi available. Now, what you guys want to do is just wait, so I'll see you guys once it's done. Now, after that, let's click on the arrow here and let's save the network. So now it's saved, it's connecting to it. And as you guys can see, the color here changed to red. And now it's testing the internet connection. I won't have it, but if you plugged in the cable to the modem, then you will. Let's skip it, and as you guys can see, the network is now up, but remember about actually pinning it into the modem. Now let's click done here, and as you guys can see, here we have the entire app. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.